We used to get like our oysters from here, but since we're gonna get them straight from the water off the boat, the only thing we need to get for our party is just some shrimp.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah. So growing up at Grandma's house, whenever she would do fish stews, they always
Noni's?
No, Noni's mommy. My grandma, your great grandma. You never met her. Well, they always use striped bass or rockfish, but we can't keep them here in North Carolina. We have to throw them back. But I never would eat it just because the way it smelled in Grandma's house. But a lady who made cornbread at Skylight when I worked there in high school, she always made fish stew with catfish. But we don't really catch a lot of catfish. We catch plenty of speckled trout and redfish. So I've just started using my fish stew doing trout and redfish. And so now we don't have to buy it. We just catch it. But thankfully, I haven't bought fish in a while. But check out these shrimp though. We do need some shrimp. So we need to get some shrimp. We're gonna while we're steaming the oysters, we'll steam some shrimp for folks to pick at. What size do you think?
I think we should do the medium or large. We should do a mix, medium and large.
Okay.
Wait, quick thing.
Squid, grab one.
Should I? Wait, can you grab like the tentacle? Grab the tentacle. That's cool. Is there like an ink sac in there?
No, it's probably already gone. Can we do 3 pounds of large shrimp? No, ma'am, I'm good. Thank you. Appreciate y'all. Have a good day.
Y'all have a good one.
Yep.
And a Merry Christmas.
That was good.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So, we have cut the majority of stuff up. We got to let this cook down a little bit. Once the potatoes get in there and they start getting close, right? So then the next things are important in steps. So we're gonna add fish, but once you add the fish, we're gonna stop stirring because when you stir, the fish breaks apart and all those little muscle fibers of fish just turn into like a mushy mess. So you spin the pot to stir it. Once the fish gets about ready, then we take eggs and we crack the eggs in when it's boiling and the eggs kind of poach. And then
What does poach mean?
So it's like they just kind of, you drop them in there and they kind of cook, like the white will cook around the yellow. So it's like a boiled egg, but cracked out of the shell.
Yeah.
And then the stew's over. You just give it time for those eggs to cook. All right, let's give it a stir real quick. All right, y'all, stew's ready if y'all are. I always try to make like the broth flavorful, and this is good. I've tried to start making it too. I normally just, whenever other people make it, I just like cover it in ketchup, and now I try to make it to where right out of the pot, it's how I like it, and this is how I like it.